welcome back to our EVS session. I hope you all are absolutely good and doing your work properly. So children, you must have seen the previous video. In that video, we had started the chapter number 10, the story of food, right? And in that chapter, I told you about food, like from where does food come from? Food कहाँ से आता है, right? So I told you some food come from plants and some food come from animals, right? So in the previous sessions I told you about the food which come from plants. Okay, I told you about the food which come from plants. In today's session I will be telling you about that food which come from animals, that we get from animals. Okay, in this session we will learn about this food from animals, and one more thing I will tell you about the journey of food. I will tell you about the journey of food. About this I will talk later. Before that I wanna recall the password. Our password is same as Tuesday's password. Like licorice. Licorice is the mulathi, which is a medicinal plant. It is used to cure cough and cold. Licorice. Learn the spelling also. Liquorice. Licorice. Okay. So this was about the password. In the previous session, I told you about where does food come from. Some food come from plants and some food come from animals. About plants, about the food which come from plants, I told you in brief about each and everything, about the cereals, vegetables and fruits, oils, and we get medicinal plants and spices, all the things we get from plants. So in today's session I will be telling you about the food which come from animals. For that I want to show you some pictures, so look at that.
Yes students, as you can see on the screen, you can see so many names. These are the list of food which we get from animals, जो हमें animals से मिलते हैं. So first is milk. Milk we get from animals. Eggs we get from animals. Mutton, fish from animals. Butter from animals. And honey, cheese, yogurt, curd. These are the things which we get from animals. So one by one we will study about each and everything. Tell me, what is this in the jug and a glass? Yes, it is milk. We get milk from animals, right? Now which animals gives us milk? Like first, as you can see on the screen, we get milk from cows. And we also get milk from goats. As you can see on the screen, this is a goat. We get milk from goats also. And we also get milk from animals like buffaloes. We get milk from buffaloes also. So we should drink a glass of milk every day. So why we should drink glass of milk every day? Just because milk is it is a complete food that has all nutrients required by our body. So we should drink a glass of milk every day. Now children, do you know milk is also used in making the food products. और भी बहुत सारे food products like dairy products बनाने में help करता है milk. Like as you can see on the screen, first is yogurt, sour cream, cheese, cream cheese, butter. These all the things which made from milk, जो milk से बनते हैं. We can make paneer, we can make ghee, curd, ice creams. These all are the things which we can made with the help of milk. Milk से हम ये सब products बना सकते हैं. Is it clear about this? So in this I told you about we get milk from animals, we get dairy products like yogurt, cream, cheese, butter, paneer, ghee, ice cream, curd from animals. Now I will tell you about the non-veg. Okay, now children, what is this? Yes, these are the eggs. So eggs contain so much protein. Eggs में बहुत ज़्यादा protein होता है. So many people eat eggs also. So eggs we get from hens and ducks, right? We get eggs and flesh from hens and ducks. Now like some people eat the flesh of goat, that is called mutton, and some people eat fish, and some people eat other animals also. So they are getting food from animals, correct? So we can get like eggs and flesh from the animals. Okay children, this was about the food from animals. Now see again. Food from animals: eggs, milk, meat, fish, butter, cheese, which all come from animals, right? Now see, here's the list of animals and here's the list of food product. From hen we can get, with the hen we can add on duck also. So from hen we can get eggs or poultry. So from cow we can get milk, meat, butter, cheese. And then next is goat. From goat also we can get milk, meat, cheese. Okay children, listen it carefully again about the fish. Now from fish, we like some people eat fish and caviar, like fish eggs also. Then from bees we can get honey. Bees से हमें क्या मिलता है? Honey. Bees gives us honey. So these are the some things which we these are the some food products which we get from animals, जो हमें animals से मिलते हैं. Is it clear about the food from animals?
Okay students, after that the next topic is journey of food. आपने कभी सोचा आपकी प्लेट में फूड कहाँ से आता है? कहाँ से आता है इतना सारा फूड? आपने कभी सोचा? Yeah, I think you must have think about this. So food like covers a very long journey. बहुत long journey के बाद हमारे पास food आता है. So basically I will tell you 4 steps. The first step of the journey of food is farming. Right? Then the second step is food reaches to the marketplace, or we can say it as wholesalers. It goes to the wholesalers. Food goes to the wholesalers, like from after the farming it goes to the wholesalers. Then from wholesalers it goes to the retailers. Wholesalers to retailers, like shopkeepers. The shopkeepers. Okay, and then from shopkeeper we purchase them and we get food in our home. So these are the basically 4 steps of journey of food. Now I will tell you about the farming. Okay students, now see the another board. Okay children, so the food like pulses, cereals, wheat, rice, these all are like fruits, vegetables, these all are grown by the farmers. Now how they grown those crops or those food items? So see, these are the some steps. First of all, farmers prepare the soil. Farmer prepares the soil by plowing the field. फील्ड को प्लो किया जाता है with the help of the animals. Nowadays mostly farmers are using tractors to plow the field. Okay, so by plowing the field, जो soil है it gets soft. After like if soil is soft, then it is very easy to put the seeds in that, right? So the second step is seeds put in furrows. Now after the soil is being prepared, soil prepare हो गए, then farmers will like put the seeds in furrows. Furrows are the some rows like this in equal distance. They maintain the grows with the help of plow, and that seeds put in the furrows. Now seeds will put in these furrows, and this process is known as sowing. This process is known as sowing. Again, the first step is farmers firstly prepare the soil to make the soil rich in minerals. Or okay, so farmers prepare the soil by plowing. प्लॉइंग करेंगे, इससे फार्मर्स की सॉइल क्या हो जाएगी, प्रिपेयर हो जाएगी. आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग द सॉइल, नाउ सीड्स विल पुट इन द फरोज, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज sowing. SOWING, sowing. And then you know all plants all need water to grow, right? So like crops need water to grow, so water is supplied to the crops with the help of tube wells and wells. With the help of tube wells and wells, which are which get underground water. So water is supplied to the crops with the help of tube wells and wells. Then farmers add manures and fertilizers. Farmers क्या करते हैं, manures and fertilizers को add करते हैं. Manures and fertilizers are the the substance, like some chemicals which add on to the crop to make the crop rich in minerals, ताकि हमारी crop बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी grow हो. For that farmers add manures and fertilizers, and also farmers spray some insecticides and pesticides on the crops. Now what is insecticides and pesticides? Insecticides and pesticides, again only pest will change that. So insects and pests are the some animals which can kill the crop. So from protecting them, उनको बचाने के लिए farmers spray insecticides and pesticides on the crops to kill that insects and pests. Clear? Now after that, when the crop is ripe, ripe means पक चुकी है, बन चुकी. When the crop is ripe, it is cut. It will cut exactly if apple grown on the tree, तो हम उसे तोड़ लेंगे ना खाने के लिए. Like that, when the crop is ripe, it is cut, and that process is known as harvesting. HARVESTING, harvesting. Now after the harvesting, this crop will pack in the gunny bags. Gunny bags में pack होगा, and after the packing of the gunny bags, it will go to the wholesale market. Then from wholesale market, retailers will purchase it, right? From wholesalers, it will go to the retailers like shopkeepers, vendors, which will come in our streets. So after that, from retailers we will purchase. So this is the journey of food, like from field to our plate, कि किस तरह से खाना field से हमारी plate में आता है. Clear? Once again, let's repeat it. Farmers prepare the soil. First step is farmers will prepare the soil by plowing the field. They are using some animals to plow the field. They are using some machines like tractors to plow the field. After that, when the soil is being prepared, then seeds will put in the furrows. That process is known as sowing. And then after that, water is needed, right? So water is supplied with the help of tube wells and wells. Then farmers will add manures and fertilizer to make the soil rich in minerals, and they will spray some insecticides and pesticides to save their crops. And you know one more thing, there are some scarecrows. Scarecrows are made up of matka, and like this it looks like people, कोई पर्सन खड़ा हो उस तरह से लगते हैं, और इनको एक स्टैचू की तरह बिल्कुल सेंटर में फिल के लगा दिया जाता है, सो दैट जो भी एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स हैं, दे कैन जस्ट स्केयर्ड फ्रॉम देम, उनसे डर जाएं. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नेम इज स्केयरक्रोज. क्रोज को डराने के लिए, एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स को डराने के लिए दे पुट सम स्टैचूज लाइक इन द फील्ड. Clear? And after that, when the crop is ripe and it is cut, that process is known as harvesting. And then crop crop will go to the wholesale market. From wholesale market, it will go to the shopkeepers, and from shopkeeper, we will buy. So this is the journey of food. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So students, what you have to do, you have to read this chapter. जहाँ तक हमने आज कर लिया है, you will read it. Like I have given you the pages to read 58, 59 and 60, right? So today you will read the wait a minute. Yeah. So today you will read page number 61. Only one page number you have to read, that is page number 61 you have to read. And also I am giving you the test of this chapter, like 5th chapter revision is going on. Your test will be held on Monday. I will be taking the test on Monday. There will be short question answer, very short question answer, everything you have to learn. And I will take the test on Monday. So be ready for that. And students, one more thing, I am sending a spotting video, so you have to watch the video after this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care. We'll meet you soon.